Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I washed my tape-in hair extensions at home, by myself, on my own. My clip-ins have been in for 4 weeks and this is my first time washing them. I had intentions on washing my hair every 2 weeks, but then I ended up getting sick. So this explains why my scalp and my hair looks a hot mess. So I am way overdue for a wash. Before hopping into the shower, I did thoroughly detangle my hair and I recommend that you do the same. So to start this washing process, I just let the water completely drench my hair. I think I let the water just run through my hair and the tape-ins for a few minutes. I think it was for about like 5 minutes just to really get a good rinse in because I mean y'all did just see my scalp. As you can see, I have naturally curly hair and the texture of the tape-ins are straight, so I did have to be very gentle during this entire wash process. Going in with my go-to Paul Mitchell Tea Tree shampoo. It's recommended that you use a sulfate-free shampoo when washing your hair with tape-in hair extensions or just extensions period. I guess because the sulfate contains alcohol or something, and I know that alcohol is used to take out tape-in extensions. So to avoid your tape-ins from slipping out, use sulfate-free products. Now I'm going in with my Paul Mitchell conditioner, making sure to only get it on my ends and not my roots, which is no different from washing my hair on a regular, but if the conditioner was to get on my tape-ins, it could cause them to slip due to the oil that's usually in conditioners. I did lose a few tape-ins during this washing process, but it wasn't a huge concern to me because there were 2 at my nape that I wanted to come out because I didn't install them very well. So those 2 did come out, plus an extra that I wasn't expecting, but I had extra tape-ins, so I just replaced those ones. I didn't find washing my hair with the tape-ins complicated. It honestly felt like just washing my hair regularly. What was complicated and not fun was the blow drying process. I did not enjoy this at all. It had to have taken me like an hour and a half to blow dry my hair, especially because I'm dealing with 2 different textures. I had to do this row by row. So a row with just my natural hair, and then a row with the tape-ins, and then a row with my natural hair, and so on. Oh my word, it took forever. If I had it like that, if I had the funds like that, if I felt like spending my money like that, I would rather go into somebody to wash and straighten, and blow dry my tape-ins for me because, oh my gosh, this was a hideous process. I definitely want to try curly tape-in hair extensions next. I think that would be a lot of fun and honestly probably easier to manage because I wouldn't have to do so much manipulation to my natural hair. If you'd like to see the full install video of me putting my tape-in hair extensions in and how my end style was when I first installed them, definitely check out that video. I filmed quite a few videos with these tape-in hair extensions, so I will have all of those linked below down in the description for you all to check out. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please be kind to yourselves, take care of yourselves, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.